Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and let me share with you some useful codes which you can use on your device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, because this is the place where we will enter all of those codes. And let me begin with the shortest one and probably the most known, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both email numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code, which is probably the easiest one. It is the easiest to remember. *123*4#. And here we've got the version, so we can check the AP, CP, or the model. Let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the testing menu, and I personally think that it is the best code for the regular user. So it is *0*. Okay. And here we've got the testing menu. As I said, you can check your device, the screen, and the touch, and the vibration, the receiver, sensor, front cam black, S Pen loopback version, and so on and so on. So let me pick, for example, red. Let's tap on it, and if you can see the red color all across the screen without any missing spots, then it means that it works fine. The same situation with the green one and the blue. What's more, we can check the vibration. So if you tap on it and if you can feel the vibration that it vibrates, then it means that obviously it is working. So I highly recommend to stay in this mode and just have fun. In order to get back, you have to double tap on the back button. And let me show you another code which will open the battery info. It is *0*228#. And here we've got the battery status, so we can check the current value, voltage level, 11 block, and the voltage again, and the charging type. So let me get back and let me show you another code which will open the USB settings. It is *0808#. And as I said, we are in the USB settings, so we can check the MTP, we can change the mode of it, and if you will want to change, just tap on the one you'd like to set and tap on OK, or after tapping on reboot, your device will just restart. And let me show you the last code, which is *26663#. Okay, here I've missed it. So the code is 2663. So let me remove it, and as you can see, we are in the firmware version. So here we can check the version, sensor hub, Wi-Fi version. Also we've got here so Bluetooth version. So this is, let's say, a technical code. So actually that's all. This is how to use secret codes in your Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.